Video Talk, Week 6, Positive Reasoning and Objective Setting. Welcome to Week 6 of The Force of Positive Reasoning, Dominating Outlook Shift for Self-Improvement course. In this last week's talk, we will investigate the imperative association between certain reasoning and objective setting. We will zero in on defining clear and reachable objectives, using positive reasoning to conquer deterrents and difficulties, and making activity intends to keep tabs on our development towards these objectives. Putting forth clear and reachable objectives is an essential move towards self-awareness. It gives guidance, center, and a feeling of direction. During this talk, we will learn powerful methods for laying out objectives that are explicit, quantifiable, feasible, important, and time-bound. Savvy objectives. By defining clear objectives, we upgrade our inspiration and responsibility towards accomplishing them. Positive reasoning assumes a critical part in objective accomplishment. It empowers us to keep a positive and hopeful outlook, even notwithstanding obstructions and mishaps. We will investigate procedures for utilizing positive reasoning to defeat difficulties and mishaps, for example, rethinking misfortunes as any open doors for learning and development, envisioning achievement, and rehearsing appreciation and self-certification along the way. Making activity plans is fundamental to change our objectives into significant stages. We will examine the method involved with stalling our objectives into more modest, reasonable undertakings and making a guide to direct us towards their fulfillment. By making activity plans, we upgrade our clearness and concentration, guaranteeing consistent advancement towards our ideal results. Keeping tabs on our development towards our objectives is similarly significant. We will investigate systems for observing and assessing our advancement, for example, keeping a diary, using objective-following applications, or looking for a responsibility accomplice. Consistently evaluating our headway permits us to make vital changes, commend achievements, and remain spurred on our excursion. Toward the finish of this talk, you will comprehend the interchange between sure reasoning and objective setting. You will learn strategies for defining clear and attainable objectives, using positive reasoning to beat snags, and making activity intends to keep tabs on your development. Keep in mind, positive reasoning joined with compelling objective setting is a strong blend for self-awareness and achievement. In this way, how about we tackle the force of positive reasoning and leave on the excursion of accomplishing our objectives and understanding our actual potential?